I have no clue what the title of this video is going to be, but something with the word fail in it. Hey KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the KiHiVE. And hello to all my subscribers. Thanks so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a flat twist and curl tutorial for you all. I'm going to be using the Main Choice Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Moisturizing Styling Milk, the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse, my Big Detangling Comb, water, full perm rods. Let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to not rip my hair apart. My plan is to bring twist forward. I like to have the hair in my face because I got a big head. Excuse me, water bottle. The Main Choice mousse, you want to put like a small amount because it tends to make your hair really hard if you use too much of it. Water in my Alright, so I have installed all of the perm rods and flat twist. This is what it's looking like. Put on my little slap cap, hit the bed. Ow, I can't put it on. Ow, ow. It hurts. Nope, not gonna work. Not gonna work. Alright, so it's the next morning and I'm about to take all of this down to see how it turned out. Alright, so I'm gonna be using some of this serum oil mist. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Don't know. So, see what I can do to rectify this situation because I got to go. Let me see if fluffing it will do anything. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is a so fail. Lord, please send me an idea in my head to help fix my jacked up hair right now because I don't know what I'm doing. Amen. Okay, is this cute? Do y'all like this? Cause use this Stubborn Edges freezing gel and slick up this side of my head. It's not coming out how I pictured it in my head, like at all. But you know, I'm human like everybody else. Y'all just see me on the screen, but I'm over here struggling. I think the reason why I didn't turn out like I wanted it to is because I twisted it too far down and then put the perm rods on like too late. So I should have left more untwisted hair. But I'll fluff my sadness away, y'all. Jesus, take the wheel. I don't sing, y'all, but I need Jesus to take this wheel right now because I'm heading down to disaster. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, cause I can't do this on my own. Thank the Lord for this freezing gel, cause man, where my bobby pins? Alright, y'all. So I think this is going to be the final look. I don't know. Show you all. It's the side edges are slicked back. Got the back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you got some good laughs because man, I was struggling over here, y'all. I was struggling. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Share it with your friends. I'm sure they'll get a great laugh. I'll see you next video, you guys. Bye.